Hello guys, today we are gonna make a chicken, stewed chicken. I already have my chicken, which is right here. Already washed it with the lemon and some white vinegar. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this chicken. We're gonna put the chicken here. That's already been washed. Lemon and vinegar, white vinegar. The season that we're gonna use, I'm gonna use this sabor ami. Is like salt and garlic. If you don't have this, you can just use it like a little salt. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a teaspoon like this. Put a teaspoon inside, put that to the side. I'm gonna use this other season right here. Same thing, like a teaspoon, put that inside. This season right here, teaspoon, put inside. Old Bay season, same thing, like almost half a teaspoon. Put it inside. Now, garlic, already chopped garlic. Okay, garlic 1 teaspoon inside. Two sazon. So now what we're gonna mix it all together, all the seasoning, marinate everything. Like get a nice and beautiful color here. Look at that. That's it. Now it's seasoned. All right. All right. The chicken is already seasoned. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna cut one whole onions, dice them up. Just like that. One pepper. One tomatoes. Okay, that's done. So now we're gonna, this is done. Rinse the board. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna peel 1 carrot and 2, 4, 5 potatoes for the chicken stew. So we're gonna do usually like this. Grab it, hold it like this, and just like that. Nice and easy. You don't have to go too deep. Just go nice and light like this. Very light. So you don't want to take all the meat from the carrot. Just like that. So when you take it off, it should look like this. All right. Flip it. And then all of this stuff I'm going to use for my compost. All of this is going to be for compost. I have a garden. All right. So when that's done, put it to the side. Cut the ends out. Cut these ends out. The back. Cut it out. Then usually how I do it, I cut it right through the half. Like this. Like that. See? In the half. Then put it back in the half again. Like that. Now you got 2 pieces. And we're gonna have 2 more. Like that. You got 2 more. So put it to the side and then just cut square. And then it's gonna look like this for your stew. Perfect. Nice and square. I have a glass with the cold water. I just put it there. So why cold water? So it doesn't turn black. It stays fresh in the cold water. I'll get the potatoes, Irish potatoes. Go to the side. So usually what I like to do, I like to hold the potatoes like this, cut in half, just like that. Right in half, flip it, same thing, like that, and then put in the board. One, two, three, and then you got nice square.